Howdy, howdy, howdy. This video is for expert foundation repair. My name is Joseph Graham. I'm with UpShot Solutions. We are the #1 online marketing consultant in Fort Worth, Texas. Now, when we asked around for the best foundation repair company, you were referred over to us. Okay? This is why I'm making this video. Now, what I'm going to show you is this. I'm going to show you that how and why this Google My Business map listing is the most valuable asset that you have on the internet. Okay. While I'm doing that, I'm going to check something real quick. Your GMB says you serve the whole state, which there's nothing wrong with serving the whole state. But in order to rank organically, you have to have a GMB set up in each individual city that you want to rank in. Now, if I'm looking for a foundation repair, you're going to see ads. You're going to see these top 3 business listings. Where most business owners drop the ball is right here. Okay, this is why. These top 3 businesses in these map listings get 75 to 80% of the phone calls. All right. And what this heat map shows is we took your Google My Business map listing and we just ran it in Dallas, right? Because it says you serve the whole state, which is fine. But you, like I said earlier, if you're going to do that, you got to have individual ones in each city. Okay. So for this one, I would highly recommend adjusting it to just say Dallas, or pick a city and then establish another map listing in those other cities. So in the heart of Dallas, it says you rank number 14, right? Which means there's 13 businesses stacked on top of you, right? So anybody looking for foundation repair in downtown Dallas, whenever they do that search, they're more than likely going to do business with one of these top 3, and it's usually the one that has the best reviews, right? Over here it says 15 off of University Park. You got Metro, Pier King, Foundation Repair Dallas. You're like, why does it matter? We stay pretty busy anyways. I mean, if you're not trying to scale, if you're not really trying to grow, it doesn't matter, right? But for the most part, you're missing out on a lot of calls and a lot of sales just based off of online search. This isn't word of mouth referrals. This is based off of online search only. Okay. Now I'm going to show you it's possible and the reason why you want to do that. So we work with foundation companies, waterproofing companies, concrete all across the USA. So here's an example of whenever you actually, start niching down and get local. Like here's Philadelphia, same size as Dallas, a little bit bigger, right? It's Philadelphia, ones all across the board. Our map listing in our website is ranked #1, right? And just in this one, this is just one GMB. This is just one GMB. We do have multiple GMBs established in the areas, like all surrounding suburbs, right? Well, this is just one. This is a zoomed out. And what, like, okay, so what? You got a bunch of green circles. Well, I mean, it generates calls, man. So like 113 calls just for this one location, right? Between December 6th to today, January 5th, right? 113 calls. Most of them are just new callers, right? I don't want to. This video is gonna be public, so but just 113 calls. This is just for one. This is what happens whenever you niche down and get local. So instead of having a G&B that says I serve the whole Philadelphia, you want to get local with it. So one for Dallas, right? One for Dallas. You can have one for Fort Worth, one for Houston, and just start working your way like that. And whenever you start ranking it, you're gonna start getting an increase in call volume, getting an increase in sales, expanding, hiring more crews, right? More foremans. It's up to you. So how do you correct this? Well, I already showed you one way, right? Adjusting this map to say you serve Dallas, but you can add up to 20 locations, right? So I would put Dallas County, Ellis County, Tarrant, all the surrounding counties, and then which was like like 7 surrounding counties in Dallas. And then like I would use the rest to like put the cities. So like Fort Worth, Grapevine, Frisco, right? Dallas, Addison, stuff like that. That's what I would do. And then you're going to have to start collecting reviews. Remember, this is the most valuable asset you have online, right? So when you start collecting these reviews, you need people to state where they're from. So, hey, from Addison, Texas, thanks. From Fort Worth, Texas, thanks. From Haltom City, thanks, right? And then you're going to create a post. You're going to create a post saying, hey, we got another happy client from Addison, Texas. We got another happy client from Garland, Texas, right? So those are just a couple ways. These are just a couple things, man, to increase your call volume, increase sales. With that said, I'm going to leave it there. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year's. God bless.